Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and a while ago I shared a video where I told you the dumb things that I did with my art glitter glue tip, and you can see my pin is a little bit crooked now. The ball keeps coming off, okay, and then the pin itself, well, it gets stuck in there. So you can get pliers or something, but I damaged it far too much. I have a new one here. Interestingly enough, it says right on the package, soak tip in boiling water if clogged and blow out twice before reattaching. It does not say get pliers and rip the whole thing apart, okay? So if you haven't seen that video and you're an art glitter glue user, go back and watch it. I'll try and remember to link to it in the description. And I've said before that the tip to the art glitter glue is the secret to the whole thing. If you bought it like this and you use it like this, you're missing out. Spend the money, get the metal tip. I did try one of these little, they're probably different ones, little bottle metal tip. If you look at it, the tip itself is just clunkier than this fine tip right here, and I just felt like it drug across paper and it kind of bothered me. I like the fact that it's so small and you can squeeze it, and the little rubber thing, that's kind of nice because you don't lose it all the time, but I didn't love it. I'm going back to the metal tip. I've seen people put a flower on their pin or a charm, attach a charm to it so you can find it better. That's a great idea. My new one is white. I'm kind of sad it's not blue, but I'm going to show you how this works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this bottle and tip exactly the way it is, because maybe it's better than nothing on any given day, and also it is sealed up. And I'm going to use the one I got at the garage sale, which I think has perfectly fine glue in it. Let's just check and be sure. I think I've used this bottle. I mean, we just need to make sure it's not like a decade old. Maybe it's brand new. I guess I should have checked that before I turned on the camera. Let's see. Let's see what's going on in this glue bottle. Oh, yeah, it's fine. It's plenty liquidy. Let me see. I think the top is just plugged and I probably have a pin. Now, if you have pins around your house, which you probably do, the trick is you want to be sure that the pin that you put in your art glitter glue is stainless steel. Otherwise, it will rust and then your glue won't be as clear and clean when it dries. So that's why you want to be picky about your pin. This bottle seems just fine. And what I'm trying to do is just use a different black lid because I don't know. My guess is you're supposed to reattach this metal tip to each new bottle you buy. This black piece has already had a metal tip secured to it, and I don't know how well a new one would attach to it, right? Because in a normal world, the bottle of glue would run out long before you change the tip. So that's why I'm trying it on this one. If I didn't have another one, I'd use it on the same one. You just take this out of the package. Take this part off. I keep this, I don't know why, but I did use it on a bottle of glue that I ordered on Amazon that didn't come with the lid, so maybe keep it for that reason. And then you take this, you push it on there very well. You don't cut, you don't do anything. You just push it on there really hard, and I think you're supposed to twist. Pull off spout, firmly screw on metal tip. So then you just screw it onto the plastic. And you can kind of feel it gets tight, it stops turning, and it's not coming off anymore. And then I'll be able to tell these, it's close, but the pin on the art glitter glue is much bigger. So if I lay it down on my counter, I'll know which one's which. Then, this was kind of plugged up before. That's not a reflection of the metal tip. We'll take this, get it all loosened up. Remember, this is an old bottle of glue. Okay, now I'm back in the game. And that's how you do it. And then you just leave that on there, and don't do stupid things to your metal tip and you'll be fine. And the other trick too, when you use art glitter glue, see where I got this big messy bead right here? It's hard to tell on white paper, isn't it? I'll get you a piece of colored paper. Here we go. Oops, we'll use the green side. If you put it down first and then drag it, you're going to get a much more fine amount than if you start squeezing and then set it down. See that? So if you want the finest detail you can get, you put it down on the paper and move it. Does that make sense? So this is if you don't put it down on the paper, and this is when you put it down and on the paper and move it. Okay, I'm back in the game. I have cards to make. I'll be back later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.